Okay, we are back again. Let's see who all have come back. Hello, Shane. Where are you from, Shane? If you don't mind me asking. Let's wait for everybody to join in, people. Let's wait for everybody to join in. Hello, Abhishek. Let's wait, okay? Hello again, Shabir. Hello, Nitin Singh. Hello, Jigsaw Minds. Hello, sir. Is this course enough to build a professional website? See, I'll tell you. I'll tell you, Prasad. Once I start the program, start the session. At what age did you start to learn coding? When I was in class 11th was when I first started programming. So I guess I was 16 when I started programming, and I am coding from the last 5 years now. 11, 12th. Yeah, almost 4.5, 5 years. Come on, guys. Give me a hi in the chat, those who are new. Hit the like button. We're going to wait for exactly 2 more minutes. It's 3 minutes, 9 seconds up since I've started the live stream. So I'll wait because now is the fun part because I also don't like theory much. Hi, Vishnu. So now we'll be having some practical, and practical is the best. So in school, I used to like practicals because we used to get to go to the computer lab, and that was the best thing. That was why I liked my practicals. I guess that's the same thing with everybody. I hope I put it up on LinkedIn, right? On Telegram, right? Yeah. So this is the good thing about Telegram, that you get a notification. How many of you? There are 16 people watching. How many of you have come from the Telegram channel right now when I sent the link? Or exactly how did you come to the session right now? Okay, Raj Mishra, Telegram, YT notification, WhatsApp group. अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Okay. Finally, I guess 20 people watching now. Last 30 seconds to go for. Didn't get the notification already. Already knew to look for the new link. Okay. YT. Good evening, Akash. So, what did you guys do in the break? Let's start with the thing what you did in your break, and I'll also start my pitch. So welcome back to the stream. I'm Kabir Singh. I'm an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds. 20,000 plus, 25,000 plus students have been mentored by me, and teaching experience of 1 year. So Java, C++, data structures, algorithms, Flutter, Dart, HTML, CSS, DBMS, etc. are the subjects that I usually teach. Wanna buy the pro subscription? Go for the code Kabir. You'll get an extra 10% off. Also, wanna get the career as a developer subscription? You will be getting reviewed for placements in product and service companies, getting notifications on what new companies are recruiting, getting to talk with the HRs and knowing their eligibility criteria, getting to get your projects reviewed, and then you will be able to get all check boxes corrected in your college projects. So basically, when you make a project, you do some mistakes. So Raj Vikramaditya, who has basically 1 lakh plus subscribers on YouTube, he is a mentor over here, and he will also mentor your projects every Friday night 10 p.m. He'll be kind of telling you what you have done wrong, what you've done right. He'll be getting you a better he'll be getting you to make a better project, etc, etc. So if you haven't liked the stream, again, hit the like button, and those who have come from YouTube, join the Telegram channel so that you get an inbox, so that you join my sessions every day. 19 people watching and 12 likes. How do you manage? Do not like the stream. Will we be able to build our portfolio after this crash course? You will be able to build the portfolio during the crash course. You'll be building it right now during the crash course. Okay. Yes, Nitin Singh, you can go with the SD subscription. How did you learn Java? I learned Java through different courses. A lot of courses. I've referred to a lot of courses. So I myself paid only for one C++ course, but there were friends who had bought courses, and there were co-workers who had courses. Then there were free courses. So I've gone through a lot of content. Where we will code, we will code on VS Code. Okay. Send all notes on Telegram channel, please. Yes, I will be sending them. But for resume, we need good and big project. See, I will be getting you to make a good project as a resume. But you need to build a good resume of yourself. I can't do that for you. Which CPP course had you paid for? I don't think I will be able to disclose it. But yeah, if you want to get all the knowledge, you can go and watch my own C++ courses. I've taken a lot of them. One is there in the channel below. Okay, let's start. Come on, guys. Let's get back to work and what we are going to do today, what we are here for. So today we are going to introduce ourselves to HTML CSS. Whenever you make an HTML CSS project in VS Code, you don't have to put any extra extensions as of now. All you have to do is the live server extension, which I already told you in the last class. Go to your new folder, just make a file called as demo.html. Okay, so this is a new file, and you have to start coding over here. And when you are coding, what you have to do is kind of press shift plus exclamation mark. Okay, sorry. 1 second. For off campus in web development, we have to make project with HTML and CSS and JavaScript and any other frameworks. So yes, you have to do that. Hi, Rublin. You have to make good projects. You kind of have to fix your resume with perfect projects that are presentable to the company. Understood? You have to kind of be thinking out of the box. Okay? Understood? So now I am going to tell you a shortcut to get your basic HTML code. So the way you get a boilerplate code in CSS by using user snippets, like in my VS Code, I type Kabir and I get a boilerplate code that is a pre-written code. You can also get it in HTML CSS. So in HTML, all you have to do is shift plus exclamation mark plus enter. So shift plus exclamation mark enter. You are going to get this code on your screen automatically. Easy. Easy, guys. Alt shift plus exclamation mark plus enter. We can put basic project with HTML CSS only, or have to make a big one. You can make big projects so that you can be kind of out of the box. ठीक है, आगे चलें. इतना अंडरस्टैंडेबल था, नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, नॉट वेरी. Is it necessary to declare doc type? Yes, this is the boilerplate. This is how your basic code starts. So the doc type tells you about the tells browser the HTML version. So kind of this line, this doc type HTML tells you that it's a document type HTML project which is of this version. Understood? Then there's this HTML thingy. Okay, this kind of starts your HTML project and it will be in the language English. Okay, yeah, that's what I said, Nitin. ठीक है कि it is an HTML project with the language English. ठीक है, easy. इतना समझ आया? Then there is a head. What is a head? Head is the basic header file which kind of is related to the tags. Example, you have your titles, your links, etc. So this is the header which has everything. Okay, I'm telling you, go slow, guys. I'm telling you everything. I'm telling you what is UTF. I'm telling you everything. Don't worry about that. Okay, but go slow and understand what I'm saying. Sir, I'm late to class. Shall I start with now live, or start with this live only, unknown person, because last live was theory and right now is the practical. But yeah. Okay. Okay. So now basically, what is UTF-8? UTF-8 is kind of encoding your ASCII. So basically, you have your ASCII values in C++. You have ASCII values for characters. Similarly, when you talk about UTF-8, it's a variable width. Okay, it's a variable width character. So it is used for encoding electronic communication. So it's a very theoretical kind of a thing, but kind of variable width character encoding, which is used for electronic communication. So when you're making your projects, communicating with the browser, all that, you use UTF-8 as a variable kind of a thing, kind of an ASCII value, or as a char set, something like that. Understood? Now, kind of these meta lines are more of advanced HTML CSS. So we should first talk about the tags which we just learned. First, let's talk about the tags, and then we'll be running this project, we'll be editing this project, and we'll be having a lot of fun. ठीक है? So let's do one thing. There is something called as tags. ठीक है? अब tag क्या होता है? There is this head tag, means this should come in the head. There is a body tag, means it should come in the body of the code. There is an HTML tag which starts the HTML project and ends the HTML project. So whenever you have a tag in HTML CSS, it starts with a less than sign. You write title, close it up. This is the starting, and then you write your code. And when you want to end, you put a / and the same thing. So this opens up your tag, this thing opens your tag, and this thing closes your tag, and this comprises of your entire code. Easy? Understood? Understood, guys? Yes. Chalo. Moving on to the next point. If I just put my title not as document and I make it Kabir Singh. Okay, I make it Kabir Singh, and in the body also I write Kabir Singh. Okay. How do I run this? This is not like C++. कि I click on the run button and I start running it, है ना? ये तो this should be running in my browser. Yes or no? ये तो ब्राउजर पे रन होना चाहिए ना? बताओ. So now, how do I run this? I'll go here, I'll right click on my code and I'll click on open with live browser. As soon as I do it, I'll have to show it to you on another tab. Yeah. As soon as I do it, I get something like this. Can you see? You have Kabir Singh written and there's a Kabir Singh. So the header means the heading of my tab or the heading of my Chrome tab is Kabir Singh. And then the body is also Kabir Singh. We will have to first save the file by extension.html. Yeah, it's already saved. If you look at the code, it's already saved as demo.html. Understood? Now, if I do any change, let me just write Kabir Singh codes over here. Okay. So does it change in my live server? No, Kabir Singh codes did not come. And if I come here, if I refresh this, it still does not come because I haven't saved my file. So as soon as you see your HTML, you can see a dot over here. Can you see a dot over here? This dot. If I hit Ctrl S, the dot goes away, means every change is saved in my HTML CSS file. And now when I go to my live server, I guess, yeah, now you can see it. Yep. Understood? Give me a yes or a no. बताओ गाइस, समझ आ रहा है? चलो. Now, there are different tags and there are different ways we can code stuff in HTML CSS. है ना? तो let's come back to our code because you don't want to see that. एक बार repeat करो. देखो, वापस से लिखते हैं सब कुछ. दिस इज अ नॉर्मल HTML फाइल. मैंने एक न्यू HTML फाइल बनाई एक रैंडम फोल्डर में एंड आई को मेड इट एज demo.html or index.html or abc.html. So the file should be name.html. ठीक है. उसके बाद I use the shortcut shift plus exclamation mark plus enter, shift plus exclamation mark plus enter, and I get this code. This is a predefined boilerplate of HTML CSS which I can use and I can code stuff. अब मेरे header means the head of your Chrome tab. Google Slides have the head of their Chrome tab like this. I have it like this. I can code my Kabir Singh codes ka ye my thing. If I just open this, so you can see my avatar comes over here. Very small avatar comes over here. Then there is Kabir Singh and then there is Kabir Singh codes. Same goes with this. I can code it like Kabir Singh and I can name the header as anything. I can maybe name it as I can name the header as Kabir Singh codes, and I can write the body as Kabir Singh is a web developer. Right click. Okay, let me see if the changes are displayed over here. Yeah, so Kabir Singh codes यहाँ पे आ गया. I'll share it with you. And then Kabir Singh is a web developer यहाँ पे आ गया. So do you see how fast you see the changes? Do you see how fast you see the changes over here? Give me a yes or a no. Yes or no? है ना? तो this is how fast you see the changes and इतनी जल्दी बहुत सारे changes आ जाते हैं. But then you have different things. We haven't explored everything till now. We haven't explored all the tags. So the first code we will do is, let's make a hello world program. Again, ठीक है. तो body में, rather than directly writing the body, what was the heading tag which I told you? Give me a heading tag. Those who were there in the last class, what was the heading tag? Okay, Nitin says H1. Others, where are the other people? Sir, HTML और CSS का आप पूरा कोर्स कराएंगे? Yes, it's a crash course. H1 to H6. Very good. So I can use an H1. Okay. So I have an extension called as HTML CSS support. With that help, if I just make the first H1, I get my other one, my ending tag on its own. So I get my heading and I just write this is a project. Let's Control S. Let's see what we got there. This is a project. And we got it up as a heading. Bold, black colored heading. Understood? If this was not H1 and this was H4 and hit a Control S, does it show any changes? Oh, yes, it does. Understood? Everybody understood? Okay. So now I can go with something like H1 only. And I'll say H1, H1, and this is a project. Also, what was the tag for paragraph. Give me a tag for the paragraph. What tag did we use for paragraph? P. Very good. So as soon as I add P, I get the ending tag on my own. And I'll write, this is a project that is being made by the Kabir Singh Codes family. And if I control S this and I go check my project, let's see what changes come. Okay. And remember one thing, when you are coding in VS Code, when you are using a live server, you do not have to hit refresh or reload anything. All you have to do is control S, save your code, and you'll automatically see the changes over here. Understood? ठीक है? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, people. Come on. Yeah. अब what was the next thing? बहुत कुछ सीखा था ना हमने. We had learned about a lot of things. So let's do one thing. Let's write a code for all the tags that we used. ठीक है? चलो. ठीक है. So let's do one thing. We'll come here. We'll write H1. This is heading 1. ठीक है? This is heading 1. Correct? अभी इसके बाद we'll write H2. This is heading 2. Perfect. उसके बाद हमने देखा था H3. So we'll write this is heading 3. I'm doing this so that we know what are the sizes that are available. This is heading 4. H5. Okay, 5. Sorry. Okay. This is heading 5. And last comes out to be H6. So this is heading 6. Let's hit a control S and see our project over there. Okay. Cool enough. So heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. We can see the way our size is going smaller. Okay. Yes or a no? Can I have it in the chat? And now if I just go back and I write a paragraph, the paragraph is already there. ठीक है? Paragraph के बाद हमने कुछ सीखा था which is called as a span. ठीक है? So we'll write this is a span. Let's see what happens. Control Z, Control S. Does anything change in our project? This is a span. Okay, nothing changed in the project, but I guess yeah. Okay. Now, what was a span? I'll show you. Okay. एक और span. This is a span comma and it removes spaces between two lines. Maybe we can write this. Now if I hot reload or sorry, not hot reload, Control S, let's see what happens. Okay, nothing. Yeah. So I wrote the paragraph, the lines in two different spans, but I got it in one line. So if you want to write things in the same thing, no line change, so you can do it in the spam thingy. Okay, span thingy. Now okay, what else can we do? Let's use a center tag now. Center tag is left. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है when you use a center tag, inside a center tag you have to use something, right? Obviously a heading or something. So we'll write this is a centered heading. ठीक है, कंट्रोल एस करके देखते हैं what is happening. Let's see, it's gonna hot reload. Okay, so our normal headings came on the extreme left and the actual centered heading came on the center of the line project. I guess worthy to be considered. Yep, yes or no? And I guess you're seeing it on the extreme right, but it's on the center. Okay, it's in the center of the project. It's just that I'm showing you the screen like that so that you can see the left thing also. Okay. Okay, guys. Sir, can we align? Yes, you can align. I'm going to tell you everything. Don't worry about that. ठीक है, चले आगे. What else did we discuss? Okay, you know you can use span also. So you can use a tag inside a tag inside a tag. ऐसा मतलब you can come here, you can use a paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag you can use a span tag and you can write this is a span in a para in a center. ठीक है, और इसको कंट्रोल एस करो. नहीं, अलाइन सेंटर नहीं, सिर्फ सेंटर लिखोगे तो भी हो जाता है. सी अभी आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. सी दिस इज अ स्पैन इन अ पैरा इन अ सेंटर या फिर इन द सेंटर. ठीक है, there might be a possibility that you guys don't get these suggestions and easy ways, but use the extension HTML CSS. Life is gonna be easy. ठीक है, yes or no? Okay, you can also use tags like horizontal lines. So just do an HR, just do a control S. Let's see आता है या नहीं. You got a horizontal line. Now you can set the thickness, set the color, set the width, set the length, everything of a horizontal line. And I will be telling you a lot. Okay, I'll be telling you a lot about this also. But this is an introduction session, so we have to go with the introduction. Okay. Also, you can go with another HR line again. So if you just control S this thing, you get two lines. So what did I do? I just put another HR over here. So if I just keep putting HR again and again, and I hit control S, let's see what happens over there. I'll get multiple lines. Refresh, coming up. Okay, takes 2 seconds and I get a lot of lines. Correct? Yes or no? So if you want to set specific what do you call, if you want to give specific columns to your specific criteria, you can do that. Give me a yes or a no if you're liking it. Okay, now what happens that you have attributes. What do you mean by attributes? Basically every tag has some properties. Okay, so every tag of yours has some properties, has some visual criterias which you can use, and you can come up with, and you can always and always have some HR is a self-closing tag. Yes, you do not have to close HR tag. You have to just write HR. It does not have a closing tag. I'm sorry, I forgot and missed it out. I should have told it. ठीक है? Chalo. Moving on to the next thing is that there are attributes, and attributes basically consist of something which are the styling factors, or maybe the, you know, giving your colors, giving your names, etc., etc. So you remember the div tag to make division between contents? Yes or no? Do you remember the div tag? Give me a yes or a no, people. Yeah. So the div tag basically has a very simple example for attributes. So you can use the div tag, divide your content, and you can give the attributes as well. Okay. How do you do that? You can give your div tag a style. What do you want the style to be? You want a border, you want a display, height, margin, padding, position, width, color, anything. I want a color. What color do you want? Do you want Alice blue? Do you want antique white? Do you want aqua? And this is the magic of HTML CSS in VS Code. You use just one extension and you get everything. Understand? So this style is in the div tag. Now anything you write in this div tag, you can have something like this. I'll show it to you one sec. So now if I just write something inside, if I write this is a div tag and I am loving it. Control S this. See. Can you see blue color thingy? I guess aqua is a very light color. I'll change the color now. Wait, let me just change the color. Blue violet. Control S. Look at this. It turned to purple. I guess again you're not able to see it. Let's go for a green thingy. I guess green would be a better option to see. Yeah. So I'm not sure if you're able to see the color very clearly, but I guess it's pretty visible. Now let's try one thing. Can I put a heading tag over here? This is a div tag. I don't know. Can we? What do you think? Will it run? Do you think it's gonna run, people? Hit a Control S. Yes, it runs. So you change your div, you kind of put the heading tag inside your div tag, give it any color, give it any random color. And also you can just see if you go for any color, wait. Okay, I just go for any color. Okay, I go to this square. Now I can choose between the colors. I'm very fond of turquoise. So we can go with that and hit a Control S. And if you go to your code, you're gonna see it soon. See? This is why I love HTML CSS. This is why I'm into web dev. Because you can edit things very easily. You have a lot of options to go with. You have a lot of options to see, you have a lot of options to refer to. Everything is just in your hands. Understand? Are you liking it? Yes or no? Come on, guys. Yes. Only unknown person is liking it. Okay, Shabir is liking it. Okay. So this is something about your HTML, CSS, and this is something about your tags. You have different tags, you have different ways of giving your content, you have attributes, and there are a lot of attributes, and there are a lot of styles you can do. Okay, but I know it's kind of very new to you guys. Okay, so we will be doing a lot and a lot of these things. Okay, we'll be having a lot of fun doing this, but that's the thing, that you have to first understand all this. Okay, all these tags, how do you have access to all of them, how do you run it? So any doubts till now for your setups or anything? Somebody is not able to run your HTML code. Are you guys at least able to run your code right now in VS Code? Did anybody try? Shabir, Nitin, unknown person. Have you guys tried the shift exclamation mark enter shortcut and tried running a code in HTML, CSS? Anyone? Tried. Okay. Did it work? I'll again show the extension, because this is a pretty good extension which you can come up with. I use solo learn to code. Okay. So extension is HTML, CSS support, and I don't think I have used any other extensions till now for HTML, CSS. Yeah, that's the only HTML, CSS thing I have. Okay. So you can go for it, install it up in your laptops, because this will make you do wonders. Trust me. Okay. Any doubts till now? Any doubts? None. Okay. So I'll recommend one thing. Just go after this session. Just go to Google and search different ideas for web development. Sorry, ideas for resumes. Okay. So search different ideas. So we can combine all ideas and we can come up with one. Okay. Understood? Yes or no? So just try searching some good ideas. I will also get some. I have one made on my own also. This one. So we'll be considering this. Okay, as a base, and you will be considering your examples, and we'll come together and make something. Okay? I can also show you one more example. Wait. One sec. It's a very plain kind of a formal resume. See. बहुत ही very very plain kind of a resume and a very simple resume to display your content. So you can go for something fancy or you can go for something very simple. Okay? So have you guys yeah, so have you guys thought of anything like that? Tell me, have you guys thought of doing something like that so that you can get a hands-on with your resume? Anyone already have an idea? Okay, I'll do one thing. Wait. I will give you guys one form. You can design your idea and send it to me over there. Okay. So what you can do is you can either you can describe your idea in that form, or you can send a screenshot of some idea, or you can do anything to explain that idea to me. So you have to explain your idea so that we can kind of build that. If I like that idea, we'll combine that to mine. Okay? Okay, so I am putting a form link in the Telegram channel. You can go and have the form link over there. So there's a form link. Okay, I've put it up. You can share your portfolio ideas over there. Okay, so there's something in the Telegram channel. You can go check out the form. And mine is a very simple design. So you can either go with that or we'll go with something else. Let's see. But yeah. Okay. So tell me tomorrow, because tomorrow again we'll be meeting at what 5 p.m. So we'll build the project from 5 to 6, then 6:15 to 7:15. Also talking about good projects online. Also talking about clones. Talking about what all are the other projects that you can make. So a lot of content will be discussed tomorrow. Till then, if you have any doubts, tell me, and just stick along for 2 minutes. I am getting your form ready. Yes, the description is being updated, has been updated. So there's a form link in the description below saying share your code with Kabir Singh. So there you can share your ideas or you can share your screenshot, anything. Okay? Understood? So you can ask your doubts, you can share your ideas, explain your ideas, do anything that you want. Okay. Any other things which you want to discuss right now, guys? Anything which you want to put front in the chat? Because today I'll be working on your portfolio projects. I'll be searching some good projects for you guys so that we can start a good one tomorrow. And you guys can also do the same. Till then, let's just brainstorm. Okay, so I guess you guys don't have anything and you guys do not have any doubts anymore. So if everything that I taught you today was crystal clear, give me a yes in the chat. That's what I want to know before ending the stream. So everything that I taught you, was it crystal clear today? Yes or no? Everything that I told you. Okay, I can't see any messages in the chat. Okay, unknown person says yes. Others, was it crystal clear? Okay, I guess unknown person is the only person who understood. So never mind. I would like to thank you guys for coming in, and I'll be waiting for you at 5 p.m. tomorrow in the same channel. If you wanna access the links, you can go and access my Telegram channel from the description below, so that you have an updated Telegram link. So if you want any other helps or want to get any doubts cleared, either fill the form or join the Telegram channel and come and ask me live tomorrow. All on you guys. Okay. So thank you so much for coming in, guys. It means a lot. And I'll be having the same stream tomorrow. See you tomorrow then. Till then, happy coding. And please brainstorm on new ideas on portfolio so that we can have a good one. Okay. Thank you so much for coming in. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Bye bye. Take care.